Feel me like a Hellcat.
Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video, and today I'm just going to be playing some Geometry Dash World because it's quite easy. I'll do the first 2 levels and then we'll be done. I normally get this level first try. It's just harder without sound, for me I think, anyway. There we go. Right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you've already not. Hit the notification bell to notify your device when I upload. So yeah, hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Peace.
Feel me like a Hellcat.